What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. I have another unboxing today, and I'm going to just dump this out because I'm not going to sit here and go through every single piece. So what we have is the RBRC edition, the WPL C14, K or KM, whatever they call it. But basically, it's the C14 with. Now here's the difference here. The metal portals. So we're going to get this put together and see what we think. But pretty much everything is as you would expect from WPL C14. This comes with everything except ESC and receiver. Let's see, has it got a servo? Yeah, it's got a servo. So ESC and receiver is, it's got the interior, the cab. Let's see, is this must be the cage back. I don't see a bed. Oh yeah, oh there it is, flat bed. Okay, so the metal portals here is what we're going to be looking at. These axle trusses are plastic. Normally in the metal kits. Well, no, I don't know, I did order metal ones in the old C44 I had. So here's the rear portals. These are all metal. Feel pretty good. Metal rails, metal drive shafts. It's plastic plastic grill front bumper. Looks like a headache rack. That's the hardware. Let me see. It's Phillips hardware, but that's okay. There's the axle trusses, the interior. Here's I'll probably be changing out this this motor and transmission. I'm not liking that at all, but that's that. This is part of the cab. I've got the shocks and links in there. Got the tires here. These are probably the stock white rims that come on most of these. Well, no. Guess this is the RBRC edition. They're still plastic. No foams, and they're not glued. So you do get 5 of them. Get this stupid tape off of here. There we go. So you do get 5, so you do get the spare. Of course, I'm not going to do a build on this. This is a WPL C14. I mean, we've seen millions of them. or at least hundreds of them. So I'll be back when this is put together and give you my thoughts on these metal axles portals by RBRC. This drag link is plastic, which is fine. Just thought I'd let you know that. So that's going to do it. I will leave a link in the description as well as a coupon code if anyone's interested in these. That's going to do it for this one. I'll be back in the next video with this completed. So until then, take care.